Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're here at Green Lane Masjid for our winter freeze distribution, special distribution in partnership with Islamic Relief. May Allah reward them. They've donated special food items today to feed people from our food bank, people who are receiving food at home, self-isolating, and to the rough sleepers in the city centre. So inshallah we're going to go into the community hall. So in this first station here, these are the packs that we've made for the rough sleepers in the city centre. So a group of us are going to go out now to the city centre in the snow inshallah and try and distribute hot food, hot rice, protein shakes, protein snacks, and some warm gloves and hats as well inshallah. Alhamdulillah. So here we have a mix of fresh fruit, fresh vegetables which are going out to families who have been coming to the food bank. Some food bank users are here now as we speak, and we're going to deliver some items as well. Inshallah, we're going to be packing the car in a few minutes. So, alhamdulillah, we are able to purchase our items from Morrison's using the donations from Islamic Relief UK. Alhamdulillah, Morrison's, as we have a good relationship with them, have given us a generous discount as well to be able to enable us to fulfill the distribution today. Also, in addition to the food items, the gloves, the hats, we've also got food vouchers as well for people, so that they can go and choose their own food. A lot of the people who use the food banks, unfortunately, they have to just accept what's given to them. So we want to empower them, give them the vouchers, give them their own choice so that they can go and shop with whatever they need, inshallah. So Jazakallah khair for supporting us, Jazakumullah khair for everybody for supporting us, and inshallah we can continue this good work. Assalamu alaikum.